Morning guys, just a quick video on our Skype consultations that we now offer. So these are consultations for remote physiotherapy. Now, what on earth does that mean? Well, firstly, you can do it with any format that you like. And so it could be Skype, it could be messaging, it could be on the phone, any form that you like. So essentially what we do is we offer you a physiotherapy examination and treatment at a distance. So you might be thinking, well, surely, physiotherapy is all about hands-on and machines and different things. How can this work? Well, it works in a number of different ways, and it's been done right the way through medicine. So you can get online consultations with consultants, with GPs, etc., etc. If you think about it, when you see a healthcare practitioner, what happens? The first thing that they do is they take a full history and they listen to your story and they listen to what's gone wrong with you. So essentially that's what we're doing in our Skype consultation, in our remote physio consultation. The second thing that happens is that we will go through a number of different tests. And we can do many of those tests remotely, so we can look at how far you can move, we can look at how much pain that you've got in with certain movements, which movements are free, which movements are stiff, which muscles are weak, which muscles are strong, for example. So we can look at the way that you're behaving, and from that we can make an assessment and a diagnosis as to the likely scenario which is causing your discomfort. Once we've done that, we can then instruct you on some self-help procedures, so sorts of things that will make conditions very much better, things to avoid that will make your condition very much worse. We can then give you some exercises and rehabilitation if that's required. We can talk about different movements that you can use throughout the day to ease your condition. So this is different but still as valuable as a normal consultation. So the disadvantage is obviously we're not putting our hands on you, we're not interacting with you one-on-one. But the advantage is that you're not having to travel to the clinic, and many people find that if you've got a gammy knee or a bad back, the act of travelling to the clinic and travelling back to your own home is quite painful in itself. So we offset those disadvantages with the advantages of remote viewing. So all you need to do is fill in our little form on the link below. We will then get back to you and arrange a time and a method of communication, and we can give you a remote physio consultation. You'll see a familiar face. You are getting all of the knowledge that you would get if you're coming in to see us, and we're charging you simply for our time. All right, thanks so much for watching.